my friends, my viewers, my subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. Why so official? One of my subscribers blamed me that I never mention ladies. I most of the time send fellas, but never ladies. So I look on my YouTube channel analytic page and it shows I have 38% females who subscribe to my channel. So my apologies, ladies. I always will mention you guys now. Also, I was surprised. I have 2% other. Who's other? You just can wild guess who's other. But anyway, everybody welcome here. So I'm heading to north from my house. It's a close trip. It's the first trip of the season, and I wanna see solar eclipse. So I will be here tomorrow, there tomorrow, and hopefully it won't be too much clouds, so I would be able to see those that solar eclipse. So anyway, headed there, and I have one more toy in my car. Let me switch my hand, because it's absolutely not stable trailer today. It's campground not open yet, and I filled my fresh tank with water, and my fresh tank is on the back of trailer, and it just won't listen. So it goes back and forward as far as goes 70. It won't go 70, so I'm just doing 65 for now. Anyway, I purchased one more toy. It's called tire pressure system, and it looks like this. It's very bright.
The time offers. Perfect. Oops. I'm making the ring swap and I have no idea where to go.
It's very bright and shows me large digits, white digits. It's a tire pressure, yellow temperature pressure, and that's solar and USB charge. So it's very helpful, and it's 130 feet distance. So if you have large fifth wheel or large trailer or even semi truck, it will work good for you. Also, don't buy it from websites such as Walmart or Amazon. They both have it. Amazon sell it for $170, Walmart a little bit cheaper for $150, but go just direct to that website. I think it's a called I forgot the brand of that thing, but I leave you can find it below in my descriptions. And it's just $100, $99.99. So okay, let's have a fun. I'm going close to exit, make a right turn, and probably 10-15 more miles and I'm there. See you there, guys. Perfect. All right, let's fun begins. All done. This is new lake to me. Never fish here. So tomorrow morning I will try to catch some fish here. Water looks like clear, but today is windy and tomorrow should be better. And today is for dinner lamb shish kebab. I already pre-marinated overnight, so let's start the dinner. What this looks like before cooking. Dinner is ready. Ready to serve. I hope you can smell it. So dinner is done. Of course, my favorite wine. This time Da Vinci. Usually I drink Clo, but Da Vinci is good too. So, for my first successful camping this season. Cheers, my friends, my subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. Helen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Going fishing first time this season, and my camping first time this season. So wish me luck. So this is new to me lake. I've never been there before. Have no idea where to go. First fish of the day. Too small. We'll let it go. Well, it's good size. I will take it. Welcome aboard. So here's the verdict. It's a good lake. Actually, here's a couple lakes. They connected by small creek. So I was able with my kayak going back and forward. I guess it's not a fishing day today. I caught couple and I got one fish. Oh, still alive. So I'm going to let it go. Alright. Back to my camper. So much for solar eclipse today. Next time it will be in 2044 in August 22nd. Just remember the date, guys. So can you see the sun now? It's still a little bit. Where is the sun? Yeah, behind my head. Nice lake view anyway. first camping this season went okay. Well, I would say successfully. And I will see you in a couple of weeks. Adios, ladies and gentlemen.